Hello guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the top 4 free software that you can use to create video tutorials. So hit that like button so that our video reaches more people. Now let's get started. Are you using free software for your video tutorials? Video tutorials are the most viewed by people on any platforms, as people love to watch guides for almost anything. Now let's take a look at the free software to create video tutorials. Top 1. Vmaker. Vmaker is a screen recorder that allows you to record tutorial videos in 4K HD quality. You can use video annotations and customize them to the text that you need. It allows easy video editing and a video management system. When you sign up, you can continue with a 7-minute recording limit or upgrade to record for unlimited duration using the premium plans. For premium plans, you can pay $10 or $15, depending on the features that you need. On your dashboard, you can start recording for Mac OS or use an extension for Chrome. You can easily access Vmaker on your browser if you add it as your Chrome extension. You can even try virtual backgrounds if you are using the premium account. It also allows you to use your webcam as an overlay on the top of your screen recording. Once you finished recording, you can view your recorded videos here. You can edit, play, duplicate, move to, share, copy the link, or delete the video. Using Vmaker, you can make product videos by recording a complete product walkthrough video to onboard customers, create YouTube videos to reach billions of users as you create quality videos. You can add more personalization and improve conversions from emails using video emails. It's easy to personalize your instructional videos through screen and webcam recording. You can make educational content to keep your customers interested using tutorial videos. You can also use presentation videos to communicate ideas by recording slides with audio narration. You can create training videos easily, create personal video resumes. You can also make short videos showing how things are done. Next, top 2. Screencastify. Screencastify is another video software that you can use to create a video tutorial. It's free to use. Just download the extension and add it to your Chrome browser. It's simple to use. You can record your screen as you access Screencastify on your browser. It also allows you to use annotations on your video to keep your viewers focused on the important parts of the video. You can easily share your video in seconds. Using Screencastify, you can easily create, share, and access videos. You can monitor your engagement to see how your viewers are engaging with your video. You can add interactive questions to check viewer comprehension. All the videos you have created will be saved in your Google Drive. This allows you to share YouTube videos easily. When you start using Screencastify, you can personalize your account, enable your mic and webcam, and view how you can use Screencastify. You can even view how the recording tools can be used on the platform. To start recording, click on the Screencastify icon on your browser. You can use the browser tab, desktop, or webcam only. If you plan to use the browser tab or desktop tab, you can also enable the webcam here. Once you start recording, you can view the controls below. Top 3. WeVideo. You can create and edit videos easily without uploading them. You can use built-in stock content as well. WeVideo offers unlimited use of millions of stock media, such as videos and music tracks. You can try WeVideo for free. Just sign up with your Google, Facebook, or your email. You can browse the available templates that they have, and once you choose a template, you can view this timeline. You can edit and customize the text. Also, you can easily replace audio by dragging your music selection over the existing audio to replace the current music. Top 4. Bandicam. Bandicam is a web recorder, screen recorder, and a game recorder as well. You can download it for free or upgrade to the paid version. The free screen recorder is a different app from the webcam recorder and the game recorder. Now let's download the screen recorder. Once Bandicam is installed on your computer, click on this icon to select the area that you want to record. Then click the record icon. You can also add annotations to your videos, such as text or boxes. Once you record your screen, you can find the video here. You can play, edit, upload, or delete the video. If you need to get free organic YouTube traffic With #1 rankings that will stick forever, we have a marketing app that can help you rank your YouTube videos using TubeRankJeet. You can get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Use which keywords are easy to rank on YouTube. Get exact optimizations that you need to rank #1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. You can optimize any video in minutes. You can find niches and keywords that can help you rank easily. Know exactly how much traffic you can expect. Discover the perfect title and descriptions. Place the perfect tags or hashtags to put in your video and attract free organic traffic without using ads. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented. Identify the keywords you want to rank, follow TubeRankJeet's instructions, and enjoy the traffic. So try TubeRankJeet now. Go to tuberankjeet.com/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.